It is my Beautylish lucky bag. We have here the Beautylish extra large box bag, whatever you want to call it. And let's open it. I have not opened it. I've just cut tape. Ooh, very pretty. We have the new design for 2024, Year of the Dragon. So we have the tag. And I am going to try to save this paper. I love wrapping things in the paper after, so I'm just going to take a little bit of time to remove it carefully. Great. Minor issue, nothing major. All right, let's see what I got. I'm so excited. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and do something here really quick. I usually keep a tray, but let's get rid of the tray. All right. Paper, always. Ooh, this is exciting. First item is the Fan M from Sonia G. This is great. I have just a couple of Sonia G brushes, no fans. Why is this taped? Kind of not awesome. So that you don't lose the little protective sleeve, I guess. Okay. Oh, that is so beautiful. And this is totally my aesthetic. I don't have a fan brush, anything like this. So this is awesome because I don't have, it's like a gap filler. I love it. So beautiful. Put that to the side. And let's see what this is. This looks like Temple palette. This is the Luxury Eye Palette in amber. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, I have a Luxury Eye Palette, but I don't have this one. Let's put my little tool here. So pretty. Terrific to get a Wayne Goss palette that I don't already have. So I had a feeling I'd get a Wayne Goss palette. I'm happy to get one, but happy that it is a palette that I don't already have. So 2 for 2. This is the Love Face palette. I also don't have this. Last year I got a face palette just like this from Natasha Denona, and I gifted it, but it wasn't this one. Wasn't Love. Let's see. Oh, this is so pink. Okay, so this is a miss for me personally, but this is very pretty for someone else. So it's a beautiful item. It's a good value. It's just I don't like to wear pink at all. So for somebody else who likes to wear pink, this is terrific. And I might just gift this. I'll have to think through. Okay, so Kitsch scrunchies. So 6 scrunchies from organic cotton. So those are fine. Cute-ish. Ooh, Surratt. Surratt is a favorite. This looks like a lip sleek. This is a lip sleek in Bandy. I have another lip sleek, and I actually love the one that I have. I hope this is a color that is flattering. I can get my little tool out again. Oh, it's a great color. Yay! Another win. So that's nice. Happy with that. This looks like Wayne Goss something. It's silver. It is the Essential Eye Kohl. I don't think I actually ever tried the Wayne Goss eye kohl. Got a little bit of a squished box. That's okay. So this just looks like the eye kohl in black granite. So it's a dark gray. So this I'm going to give away probably or trade because I don't wear dark gray eyeliner. That doesn't get on my face type. Yay! Okay, I was really actually hoping for Smoke Reflect. I don't have one. I love Auric, and I don't have a Smoke Reflect. I've wanted one for a really long time, and I don't have one. So let's see what Ego is. Okay, this is like a charcoal color. Not bad. And what is the topper? Ooh, it's like a green gray. I think this is really actually terrific. So very much, I'm gonna bring that up for you. So we've got a kind of a greenish gray with a smoke gray base, which is kind of lifting out, but that is beautiful. I love that. I'm very happy with my lucky bag so far. And now, of course, we got to get into the things that we always get. We always get Holly Frog, or I have at least. Hey, this is a sunscreen. This is actually great because I don't have a backup sunscreen, and the sunscreen I have is on, and I love Holly Frog. So that to me is another win. Oh my goodness, I haven't gotten anything that I'm like, oh no. This is a big, huge yes. Yay, yay, yay. Okay. This is the hair oil from Augustina Spader. Any Augustina Spader product would have been awesome. I expected it to be the hair products because I have seen those discounted elsewhere, but I do not mind. I love the idea of this. So, reduces breakage, rebuilds healthy, lustrous strands from the inside out. So, I'm really happy to give this a go. I love the Augustina Spader moisturizer, so yay, I'm happy about that. And I would not have purchased that for myself. And then we have the Wake Up Eye Gel, the Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. There's almost always something from Good Molecules. So if we're going to have Good Molecules, this is a Good Molecules product to have. Reduce the signs of pumpiness and plump the appearance of fine lines. I'm happy to try this. So for me, my overall rating of my bag, I don't know, what do you think? Would you say that my 2024 bag was lucky? I would. I would say this is a very lucky bag. I actually love this bag more than last year's bag, and I'm super excited about it. So yeah, the total cost for this bag is $177 with shipping, because I think that's important to say. And let me go tally what my actual value is. So the total value of my 2024 lucky bag is going to be